Top 5 Stocks for New Investors in India, 2024. How to choose the best stocks. Welcome to Everyday Elevate, your daily dose of financial empowerment. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone stepping into the world of investing: the top 5 stocks for new investors in India in 2024. Embarking on your investment journey can feel like navigating uncharted waters, but fear not. We're here to guide you through the process and highlight some promising options that are perfect for beginners. Join us as we explore these 5 stocks from established companies with strong market presence and consistent performance. From trusted names in the automotive and financial sectors to global leaders in IT services, these stocks offer a solid foundation for your investment portfolio. But choosing the right stocks is just the beginning. Stay tuned as we delve into key insights and strategies to help you make informed investment decisions and elevate your financial future. First and foremost, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to spread the knowledge and empower others on their financial journey. Together, let's elevate our investments and build a brighter future. Now, let's get started. Starting your financial journey in the Indian stock market can be both thrilling and daunting, particularly for beginners. The key is to identify stocks that are promising and suitable for those new to investing. There is a wide array of stock options available for new investors in India, typically from well-established companies with a strong market presence and consistent performance. For a newcomer, selecting the right stocks is akin to building a solid foundation for your investment portfolio. It's about making choices that are not too risky, but still offer the opportunity to learn and grow in the market. Let's explore some of the best stock options for beginners in India, emphasizing those that offer a good balance of safety and growth potential. Top 5 stocks for beginners in India. Number 1, Mahindra & Mahindra shares. Strong footprint in utility vehicles. 2, Reliance Industries stocks. Varied business interests. 3, Tata Consultancy Services stocks. Global leader in IT services and consulting. 4, Bajaj Finserv Ltd stocks. Comprehensive range of financial services. 5, GAIL India Ltd shares. Dominant player in India's natural gas sector. Mahindra & Mahindra. A well-established presence in the automotive industry, Mahindra & Mahindra is renowned for its durable vehicles, particularly in the utility and farm equipment sectors. It serves as the stalwart of Indian roads, esteemed for its trustworthiness and reliability. Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries commands a significant presence in the Indian market, renowned for its broad spectrum of business ventures spanning from telecommunications to energy. It resembles the sturdy banyan tree of Indian industries, providing stability and an influential presence across multiple sectors. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. TCS stands as a behemoth in the IT sector, not only within India, but on a global scale. It resembles the tech maestro of the corporate realm, spearheading innovation and technology services. Bajaj Finserv Ltd. Bajaj Finserv holds a significant position in the financial services sector, recognized for its consumer finance enterprises, wealth management, and insurance offerings. It operates akin to a financial maestro, providing a diverse array of services tailored to meet various consumer requirements. GAIL India Limited. Being India's premier state-owned natural gas processing and distribution enterprise, GAIL holds a pivotal position in the nation's energy domain. Its consistent expansion and government support render it a dependable choice. Selecting stocks for beginners. Yet, how do we select a promising stock? 1. Corporate image. When making decisions about which companies to engage with, it's prudent to gravitate towards those with a well-established presence and a sterling reputation within the market. Opting for organizations that are widely recognized and esteemed for their track record and standing can significantly mitigate risks and enhance the likelihood of positive outcomes. By aligning with reputable entities, stakeholders can instill confidence in their partnerships and transactions, fostering a conducive environment for mutual trust and success. 2. Financial security. When considering potential investments or partnerships, prioritize companies that demonstrate strong financial stability. This includes indicators such as healthy earnings, low levels of debt relative to their assets or income, and a consistent track record of growth and profitability. By conducting thorough assessments of these key financial metrics, you can identify companies that are well-positioned to weather economic fluctuations and capitalize on opportunities for sustained success in the long term. 3. Industry understanding. When making investment decisions, It is advisable to opt for stocks within industries that align with your level of understanding or personal interests. This approach can aid in conducting thorough research and analysis, enabling you to make informed and confident decisions about where to allocate your capital. By focusing on industries that you have a deeper comprehension of or a genuine passion for, you are better equipped to assess factors such as market dynamics, competitive landscape, and potential growth opportunities, thus enhancing the likelihood of achieving your investment objectives over the long term. 4. Performance of the market. Take the time to assess the historical performance of the stock by reviewing its past trends and movements. For beginners, consistent and steady performance over an extended period is often regarded as a positive indicator. This reliability in performance can instill confidence and provide a sense of stability, which is particularly valuable for those who are new to navigating the complexities of the financial markets. By analyzing the stock's track record, investors can gain valuable insights into its resilience and potential for delivering sustainable returns over time, thus informing their investment decisions more effectively. 5. History of dividend payments. Companies that maintain a consistent track record of distributing dividends can represent a favorable investment option for individuals seeking additional sources of income. By regularly sharing a portion of their profits with shareholders, these companies not only offer the potential for capital appreciation, but also provide a steady stream of dividend payments, which can enhance overall investment returns. 6. Potential for growth. Take the time to evaluate your individual tolerance for risk within investment endeavors. If you find yourself leaning towards a preference for lower levels of risk, it may be advantageous to direct your focus towards selecting stocks from industries known for their stability and resilience. So there you have it, folks. Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be intimidating, especially with these top 5 stocks tailored for beginners in India. From stalwarts like Mahindra and Mahindra to tech titans like Tata Consultancy Services, these companies offer a blend of reliability and growth potential, making them perfect picks for those starting out on their investment journey. Remember, choosing the right stocks is just the first step. Be sure to do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and keep an eye on market trends. With a solid foundation and a commitment to learning, you'll be well on your way to elevating your financial future. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest financial insights and investment tips. Explore our other videos for more valuable content to help you navigate the world of finance with confidence. Let's embark on this journey to financial empowerment together. Subscribe now and let's elevate our financial futures, one video at a time.